BJP legislature party meeting was held now. All 12 members were present. One, Milind Naik's brother has expired, so he could not make it. And we have all decided, we have taken a resolution and all decided that we want Manoharji Parrikar as our leader to come back, and that will be decided by the center.
Okay.
First. Second thing is, we are appealing. We are also 7 members of minority in the BJP who have won. We are appealing to Goa Forward Party and also MGP, Maharashtra Government Party, and the independents to support this government, to support a stable government in Goa. And for that, whatever is required, our central leader is here, Nitinji Gadkari, and he will convey the message to Amit Shah, our party president, that whatever has to be done, whatever will be the demands of the MGP and also Goa Forward Party, Vijay Sardesai and the entire team. Mainly it is for development of people of Goa have shown faith. People of Goa, irrespective of Hindus, Muslims, Catholics, they have all voted. They have all voted.
Sir, has
They have all
the
voted. The BJP government to come and Manoharji has to lead.
Sir, are the
For that, we have put our proposal to MGP and also Goa Forward Party.
Sir, are the BJP MLAs?
Yes, we are in talking terms with Vijay Sardesai. I have spoken personally to him also.
आज भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या लेजिस्लेचर पार्टीची मिटींग जाली आणि त्या मिटिंगेक आमचे न्यूली इलेक्टेड 13 आमदार आशिल्ले आणि त्या मिटिंगे भितर सगळ्या आमदारांनी जो एक विचार व्यक्त केलो तातूंत गोंयच्या डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर आणि गोंयच्या स्टेबिलिटी खातीर सगळ्यांनी जे आमचे निवडून आयिल्ले आसात तेंचे भितर ल्हान पार्टी महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पार्टी आसत, गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी आसत, इंडिपेंडंट आसत, ह्यांनी गोंयच्या डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर आनी स्टेबिलिटी खातीर गोंयच्या इंट्रस्टा खातीर मुखार सरचें आनीक भारतीय जनता पार्टीक सपोर्ट करचो की जाका लागून हांगासर आमी गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करपाक शकतले. आनीक तेजे खातीर एक रिजोल्युशनूय पास केल्लें आसा. तें रिजोल्युशन आमी सेंट्रल पार्टी कडेन लिडरशिपी कडेन दिवपाचें आसात. तें रिजोल्युशना प्रमाण गोंयच्या डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर आनी स्टेबिलिटी खातीर गोंयान भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करपा खातीर क्लेम्स टेक करपा खातीर लेजिस्लेचर पार्टीची अशी मागणी आसा की गोंयान भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या सेंट्रल लिडरशिपीन हांगासर लेजिस्लेचर पार्टीचो लिडर अपॉयंट करचो, जाका लागून गव्हर्नरा कडेन आमी हेचे खातीर आमचो क्लेम्स टेक करपाक शकतले.